Now Foods, zinc picolinate, 50 mg, 120 veg capsules. Product overview description. Immune support supports enzyme functions. Non-GMO, a dietary supplement, vegetarian, vegan, kosher minerals, family owned since 1968, GMP quality assured. Zinc is essential to the normal function of many organs and systems within the body, including the skeletal, immune, neurological, and endocrine systems. Zinc is a necessary mineral cofactor for hundreds of enzymatic reactions related to protein and carbohydrate metabolism, RNA/DNA synthesis, and intercellular signaling. It is also known to play a critical role in the body's defense against oxidative processes and is especially helpful for maintenance of healthy aging. Suggested use: take 1 capsule daily with a meal. Other ingredients: rice flour, cellulose, capsule, and magnesium stearate, vegetable source. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Caution: for adults only. This product is not intended for long-term use, use only as directed. Do not use if pregnant or nursing. Consult physician if taking medication or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.